seeds, small but mighty, are packed with an impressive array of nutrients and offer numerous health benefits. Originating from the Salvia hispanica plant, these seeds have been a staple in ancient diets for centuries. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals, chia seeds are a versatile superfood that can enhance overall health and well-being when incorporated into your daily diet. Here are the 14 amazing health benefits of chia seeds. High in nutrients, chia seeds are a rich source of essential nutrients, including fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Supports digestive health. The high fiber content in chia seeds promotes regular bowel movements and a healthy digestive system. Heart health. Chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels, all of which support cardiovascular health. Weight management. The fiber and protein in chia seeds help promote a feeling of fullness, which can aid in weight loss and weight management. Blood sugar control. Chia seeds can help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Rich in antioxidants. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Bone health. With high levels of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, chia seeds support strong and healthy bones. Boosts energy and metabolism. Chia seeds provide a steady release of energy and can help boost metabolism, making them a great addition to a pre- or post-workout snack. Supports skin health. The antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds promote healthy, glowing skin and may help reduce the signs of aging. Anti-inflammatory properties. The omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in chia seeds help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially lowering the risk of inflammatory conditions. Enhances brain function. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds support cognitive function and brain health, potentially improving memory and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Supports healthy pregnancy. Chia seeds provide essential nutrients such as omega-3s, calcium, and iron, which are important for fetal development and a healthy pregnancy. Improves immune function. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in chia seeds help strengthen the immune system and protect against infections and illnesses. Versatile and easy to use. Chia seeds can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes, from smoothies and yogurt to salads and baked goods, making them a convenient and nutritious addition to any diet.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.